It's hard to find a person who doesn't know what dinosaurs are. These huge reptiles dominated the Earth for over 100 million years. It suggests that an asteroid or comet impact caused such devastation that it led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This event is often referred to as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. However, recent studies have shown that this asteroid may not have been the sole cause of their extinction. So let's find out what actually happened. But how did they die? In this video, we will finally reveal what killed the dinosaurs. The real story explained. This includes both the initial warming and the subsequent cooling effect. The researchers also found that the frequency of extreme weather events increased, causing further devastation. Additionally, the impact triggered massive volcanic eruptions in the Deccan Traps region of India. These eruptions release large amounts of greenhouse gases and toxic chemicals into the atmosphere, contributing to the mass extinction. This is evident from the Chicxulub crater that was found in Mexico and is now mostly submerged beneath the Yucatan Peninsula. They argue that the asteroid may have only accelerated the process, but it wasn't the primary cause. For example, mammals, birds, and small reptiles survived, and from these survivors, new species eventually evolved. Regardless of which event occurred first, both the asteroid impact and the volcanic eruptions had devastating consequences for the dinosaurs. While the asteroid impact is a significant part of their extinction, it's not the whole story. Instead, it was the domino effect that followed, including climate change, volcanic eruptions, and ecological collapse that ultimately led to their demise. Understanding these events helps us comprehend the fragility of ecosystems and the complex interplay of factors that can lead to such catastrophic outcomes. The impact unleashed tremendous energy, causing massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and a large number of casualties. The impact winter lasted for months, with rock and dust debris blocking the sun. This led to an abrupt climate change, which disrupted ecosystems worldwide. The asteroid theory is the most popular and well-known explanation for the extinction of the dinosaurs. Some regions experienced a sudden ice age, while others continued to experience warm temperatures for several years after the impact. Interestingly, the dinosaur fossils found in North and South America show no signs of the sudden climate change that is typically associated with the impact. The temperature in the affected areas only began to drop a few weeks before the end of the dinosaurs. This suggests that the asteroid impact alone was not the primary cause of their extinction, but it may have played a role in their demise. Around 66 million years ago, the Earth was struck by an asteroid or a comet that was about 6 miles or 10 kilometers in diameter. Their findings revealed that the asteroid impact triggered a chain of events that ultimately led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Immediately after the impact, there was an increase in wildfires, which released large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This resulted in global warming. However, as the dust and debris from the impact started to settle, they reflected more sunlight back into space, leading to an ice age. This rapid climate change caused significant disruptions in the food chain and led to the collapse of the ecosystem. However, the effects of the impact varied across the globe. In 2023, researchers conducted a study using preserved ancient lake sediments from Canada to gain insights into the environmental changes that occurred during the late Cretaceous period. So it wasn't just the asteroid impact that killed the dinosaurs, but rather the subsequent climate change that followed. Interestingly, some scientists have proposed that the sequence of events was reversed, meaning that the volcanic eruptions came first, followed by the asteroid impact. It's important to note that not all species were wiped out. Some animals and plants managed to survive the mass extinction event. The extinction of the dinosaurs has fascinated humans for centuries. It has inspired countless books, movies, and scientific studies. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Till next time.